Hello and welcome to Gluten Free Aussie Vegan. On today's menu is Hummingbird cake. Let's get started. Hello everyone, it's Justine here from Gluten Free Aussie Vegan, just jumping on for a quick second. I just want to explain about the vegan cream cheese that I used. It's a Scottish brand and it's just recently come out to Australia and is selling in Woolworths. So this was actually the first time I tried it. So it's called Sheath. And I actually made a mistake, but I didn't realise because I've never used it before with ordinary cream cheese that I used in the past, with dairy. Used to whip it up to make it into a nice thick cream cheese frosting, but I found that with this particular cream cheese, when I started to beat it, it actually just really thinned it out. In this video you'll see the icing ends up being more of a thin consistency of like a butter icing, which it's still fine, it's still sort of thick enough, but if you really want that nice thick creamy cream cheese frosting texture to your cake, I would recommend just mixing it manually with a wooden spoon like I do in the start, and just don't bother with the beaters. Having said that, the actual flavour of the cheese is dead on point, at least from what I can remember. I mean, I've been vegan for about 2 years now, so it's been a while since I've had real cream cheese, but from what I remember, it's delicious. So yeah, the flavor's on point. Just, yeah, if you want a nice thick frosting rather than a thin one, then skip the beater part. Otherwise, now time to let you enjoy the video. This cake is delicious, it's worth a go, so let's get back to watching.